I woke up on the first morning on space station, not quite knowing where I was, but I was floating, and I thought I had this dream, and I realized, no, that dream was a reality. I just launched to space the day before. I didn't need a lot of coffee that morning.
Adapting to life in space, it's been a process. Got here initially, I was crashing everywhere. I was losing everything because everything floats away from you if you don't put it in your pocket or use Velcro to tie down or maybe an elastic bungee. And I was looking at our colleagues who had been here several months, wondering how can they be so efficient and so in control of their movements. Well, lo and behold, after a couple of weeks, I found myself surprisingly to be very efficient now moving around. So your body can adapt to this strange environment of microgravity.
For thousands and thousands of years, humans have lived with gravity. We live our entire lives feeling gravity. All of our systems are functioning in gravity. Working out in space is very important. We actually call exercise countermeasures because we are countering the effects of microgravity on our bodies. When astronauts first started flying long-duration missions, astronauts were losing the same amount of bone density in a month that an osteoporotic 80-year-old woman was losing in a year. And we had to come up with a countermeasure. We talk about the International Space Station as a proving ground for future deep space exploration. Now, imagine if we had skipped this proving ground and we sent people to Mars and then we discovered it and we couldn't fight against it. So that is just one of the many problems that we're solving here on the International Space Station to enable future deep space exploration.
We have the privilege of being sent to the frontier of the bubble in which humanity lives. And as representatives of our species, and as explorers and as people who have the chance to be executing these great plans that thousands of people on the ground have sweated over to make sure that we can accomplish our mission, which is mostly scientific.
I believe that human beings have a propensity to explore. From the earliest times, humans have looked out and said, what's out there? We went across lands, and then we went across oceans, we took to flight, and now we take to space flight.
And that is really what human beings are. We are the result of every little step of exploration, of discovery, of invention, of creativity, be it artistic or scientific or technological, that has preceded us. And that is the world that we live in.
When we look back at Earth, we don't see borders, we just see land masses. We don't see differences, we see similarities. We feel above any nationality or any other group that we may identify with, we just feel so human when we are exploring the cosmos.